All right, in this video, I'm going to be going over the high ticket booked call funnel that includes a pre-qualification and downsell mechanism, as well as your video sales letter. And this is all optimized with proven processes that high ticket funnels need. So this is not something you vibe code, as I said in previous video when I shared my lead magnet funnel as well as digital product funnel. This is specifically for booking appointments. There's no other way I've seen people come to me with all these types of booked call funnels, but this is the one you guys need. There will be a link below if you are a affiliate of mine. You literally get access to this. So I spent many hours split testing, proving that this is the best process for structuring appointments and communicating your service offering to your customers so that you can book appointments. This is where you're going to be sending people to in order to communicate who you are, what you do, your video sales letter, and then get appointments on your calendar using GoHighLevel. Okay, so this is also going to go over the psychology too. As we have here at the very top section, and we also have this hyper-optimized in mobile view too, for all you ADHD people just like me. We have company logo, top left, and on the right, we have publications or featured in type. This is not for everyone. Some people don't like this. Some people do like this. But if somehow you've worked, like, for example, I had a paid press article in Forbes, or I spoke at the High Level Summit, or I literally signed a contract with Zapier. So I was like using this as social proof company name. So you don't have to have this. If you do have some type of credibility, I would highly recommend you do this. And this is an image I had created. So you're going to have to kind of create your own image and add it back in here. So that's the top section. And then we have our sub headline that's very small. And this is who we are speaking to. Coaches, consultants, agencies, service-based businesses, depending on maybe you are a systems integrator, you kind of want to copy this exactly, but this is going to be for any coach, consultant, agency owner. You can swap out your client avatar and your unique mechanism. But this is the structure that essentially works in everything that you need. So this is for X avatar who wants to acquire end result. So for this example, it was save 5-10 hours a week. You can have whatever you would like. Then the headline, which is very important, is learn how we will install and we create a unique naming convention similar to the other digital product video, a way to describe and set ourselves apart from the rest of the market. So coming up with a unique naming convention. So this is essentially like learn how we will install our system, whatever it is, depending on what your offer is in your business, underlined done for you. This is a done for you in 7 days or less. We will install X mechanism in your business, done for you in amount of time. So you can change this, but the most important part is structure. Below this, we have another subheadline that continues on the previous headline that says so that you can turn manual tasks into automated people-proof systems on autopilot. So this is essentially like what you're going to get from the installation of the mechanism inside of your company. So you can play around with the wording. I wouldn't copy it exact word for word, but this is the structure. And you can use AI to say, hey, how can I communicate my offer in a separate way below? And I also have the size too. So as you can see here, this is not like any other vibe coded thing or other people are giving you. I have these columns that perfectly center the video sales letter right here. And there'll be another video, and there is another video on the science behind the video sales letter, which is communicating your offer. And then right here, we have the headline, tap play, and watch the full video above. You do need this. You need all this stuff. So it's perfectly centered. And then below here, this perfect call to action headline of are you ready for end result? Below, we will install a custom done for you operating system in 7 days or less with the button that's the call to action. And you'll see this is a multi-step funnel. And then logo, copyright. This is all you need. You do not need to describe it like the digital product funnel, like we had all of the text and all of the text. No, our goal here is to communicate this in the video sales letter and make this as easy as possible, communicating how we're helping people so that we can book appointments. And from here, your avatar will open this up. And as we said before, on mobile view, it's more important. So it looks super good on mobile view. And the sizes, I have the sizes like perfect too, and the underlining and the video as well. And so this is what your avatar will see essentially when they go ahead and wherever you're sending them from, whether you have social media or not, this is the place where they will go, and this video will play, and then they will listen and see this text, and you're already calling out your client avatar. You're using the video sales letter framework. Boom, schedule a demo call, and let's see if we have a pop-up here. Yep. So what happens is when that button is clicked, there's a pop-up for entering your information. There are internal sequences and automations that we'll go over in other videos regarding what happens, because they might, like we said last time, they might not buy the product, or they might opt in, but they're not going to go to the next step 100%. So you're going to collect that information first. And this is the exact type of messaging that you'll need, that you get when you copy the snapshot. And so from here, that is page one. This is a multi-step funnel. The next thing that happens after your prospect does that and puts in their information with just their name and their email is the same messaging, but simply a form just to qualify for revenue. This is very important because of the fact that if someone, similar to that digital product funnel, if someone does 0 to 5K a month, we don't want them going on our calendar, right? Some people put this inside of the calendar, but you want to actually put this before the calendar in this second step, so that if someone does 0 to 5K a month, you can redirect based off of, instead of sending them to calendar, 0 to 5K a month goes towards a free item or a digital product, a $7 thing, the thing we showed you in the last video essentially. And then even better, what you can do is 5 to 10K a month. Let's say you also want to send them to a lower product. If it's 10 to 25K, you can do a 15-minute appointment. So on the next page, there's going to be the calendar. So you'll have different calendars based on revenue, because you don't want to spend 30 minutes with a prospect that's 10 to 25K a month versus spending the same amount of time with someone that does over $100,000 a month as your client avatar. So we can actually, using this proven funnel, we can send unqualified people to a digital product or free courses. We can send kind of qualified people to a 15-minute calendar that we can have a setter call. And then if they don't confirm that they're ready for the appointment, they get off the calendar. The next one, 10 to 25, can be a 30-minute call calendar. And then the 25 to 100K a month, whatever you want to do, then that's 45 minutes. And then the 100K guys, those are the 60 minutes. So we have this step here so that you can have multiple different calendars that have different times based on the qualification of the prospect. And we're filtering out all the people that are broke, so they go towards something else. All right, so this is very important. The funnel qualifier is in the second step. The next thing that will happen, all right, so let's say we clicked on 10 to 25,000, and what the button of next step, if it is 25 to 100,000, essentially goes towards the calendar. So from here, we have the literal same exact structure, but now the calendar. And as you can see here, this is a 20-minute calendar. So what you could do is have duplications of this funnel and just change the time of the appointment based on qualification, and then inside of the form that we just showed, dependent on what the actually output was, it redirects to the clone of this page that gives the calendar. So inside of this calendar is also going to be, and when you copy this, you get the same calendar too. So it has the pre-qualification questions inside of the calendar. Let me see if I can visualize what these questions are. On my end, I can see it, but you guys can't. So inside of it, it's going to say, what is your full name, company email, phone number, what tools does your company use? What are you looking to automate? Explain your business in 1 to 3 sentences like you're talking to a 6th grader. Do you honor your time slot? So when you copy this funnel, you're not only copying the funnel, you're actually also, with the snapshot that I give you, you're copying the calendars too. So you're going to already get the pre-qualification questions inside of the calendar as well. If I were right now to not be viewing this in the editor, but if I was to click on this, it would show now the other pre-qualification questions. So we have that pre-qualification form so we can send people to either a low ticket offer or to a different amount of time based on their qualification. But then inside the calendar too, we have pre-qualification so we understand more about their business so that when you get on the call, you have it on Google Calendar and you can literally see the information that they've given you about their business. All right. And so once that is booked, then the final thing that you'll do is you'll have a thank you page. So right here, I do not have it in here, but I have the copy of the entire thing. So all you would do, and this is optional, this is like a extra, I recommend you guys all do this, but how amazing would it be after someone books an appointment that the next page is just changed to learn what to expect before you show up for the call. This will increase your show rate to the call. And then similar to the first page where we had a video sales letter to get them to book the appointment, I would highly recommend, even if you're not a social media person, making a video just like I am now, but it's just a thank you video, what to expect when you show up for our call, the prerequisites. Here's a little bit more about our company, the people that we work with. So you can take the final step of this 4-step high ticket appointment funnel, and you can then add a thank you for booking page with what to expect. So this is the exact proven process. You might be like, well, where's all the testimonials and where's all the stuff in the previous video that listed everything you're going to get and what our company does and all this? No, you do not need all of that. That would be like an entirely different website. This is a appointment booking funnel, proven, formatted, mobile view. Let's see. The mobile view is there too. And so the most important things, as we said, are these the qualification form, the structure that we have here, and the video sales letter. And in another video, we'll be going over the science of the video sales letter. But go ahead and copy this and change the messaging towards your offer and start using this to book appointments. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.